Hello everyone, my name is Arzu and today I will be explaining two very important topics in calculus that you will need to know. These two topics being taking the derivative and solving for the limit. So we're going to start with the derivative. And every time you see y prime, that means it is the derivative, and that is what you have found. So essentially, the derivative is the slope of a tangent line of a curve. So one thing that you will need to use a lot in order to find the derivative is the trig, and this is a very, very easy way to solve for it. So if you have something like 5x to the 7th, as you can see here, what you're going to do is multiply the exponent by the coefficient and then subtract 1 from the exponent. So in this case, that would be 35x to the 6th. Now, if you have something like a to the x, like 8x, then the derivative is going to be your coefficient. And if you have just a, like we have here, 4, the derivative is going to be 0. Now moving on to solving for the limit. So if you don't know what a limit is a line approaching a point but never touching it. So to find it, you're going to plug in the value that you see here as the limit approaches a certain value, and you're going to plug that in, and that will give you the answer. And so as you can see here, what we did was we plugged in -3, and so we had 9 minus 9, and that would be 0. And here we had -4 plus 3, which would be -1, so -1 squared equals 1. When you're working with infinite limits, you're going to have to remember 3 important things. When the exponent is bigger on top, then the answer will be does not exist, DNE. If it's bigger on bottom, your answer is 0. And if the exponents are equal, then it's going to be A over B. And so here you can see that our biggest exponents are 2. So 2 and 2, and they are equal. And so it is going to be 15x over 22x. Here we see that it is bigger on the bottom, and so our answer is going to be 0. And here we see it's bigger on top, and so it will be D and E. Thank you for watching.